The Gazzyt Foldable Racing Wheel Stand offers universal compatibility, supporting a wide range of steering wheels, pedals, and shifters, making it an ideal choice for any racing enthusiast. 80% of the stand comes pre-assembled, allowing users to quickly and easily set it up without the hassle of complicated installation, so you can start racing in just a few minutes. With an upgraded wider shift platform, the stand accommodates both a handbrake and gear shifter, enhancing the realism and versatility of your racing experience. It features full adjustability in all directions, including wheel height, pedal angles, and shifter position, ensuring ergonomic comfort for players of all sizes during extended gaming sessions. Constructed from high-strength carbon steel, the stand is durable and stable, with non-slip feet that prevent wobbling even during the most intense gameplay. The foldable design allows for quick and compact storage, making it perfect for those with limited space. It can be easily stored under beds or sofas.